In Peterborough and surrounding areas, one name stands out for complete home and business protection: 110 Security Solutions. We're here to keep your property secure, compliant and intelligently connected, all under one trusted local service. From rapid response locksmith work to smart lock installations with full audit trails, a high definition CCTV designed around your needs, we provide security you can rely on day and night. For landlords and property managers, we make life simpler. Intelligent heating management to keep bills in check, professional fire risk assessment remedial works, and all your essential compliance certificates, electric tests, PAT tests, gas safety, fire risk assessments and more, arranged and managed seamlessly. We also supply and install insurance compliant cash rated security safes, properly fitted, professionally secured, so the things that matter most stay protected. With years of experience safeguarding homes and supporting well-known businesses across Peterborough, we bring together security expertise, compliance knowledge and smart networking technology into one complete solution. 110 Security Solutions. Local, experienced, reliable. Call us today and let us secure your property the right way.